Lamborghini 63. Automobili Lamborghini and Italian C Group presents the worldwide premiere of Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63. The Tecnomar fleet's new motor yacht available in a limited edition in reference to Lamborghini's 1963 foundation. Performance, driving pleasure, attention to quality and details, emotions. These are the emotive features combined within the Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, thanks to innovative engineering solutions and their distinct design unique to shared Italian style and tradition. This motor yacht project, developed by the Italian C Group, started with several collaborative sessions with the contribution of Lamborghini's central style and inspiration from the Lamborghini Santa Fe P37, the hybrid super sports car incorporating benchmarking new supercapacitor and material science technologies that anticipates the future with an unmistakable design and completely customizable color and details. The Tecnomar's carbon fiber construction makes it so that the yacht is in the ultra lightweight boat classification. It weighs 24 tons, is 63 feet long, and powered by two V12 engines, each making 2,000 horsepower. Only 63 people can own this $3.4 million Lamborghini yacht, and UFC champ Conor McGregor is one. See more. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. Automobili Lamborghini teamed up with the Italian C Group to create the Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63. It's a 4,000 horsepower yacht powered by two V12 engines. It will cost €3 million, or approximately $3.4 million, and is limited to 63 examples. UFC champion Conor McGregor bought one late last year. If you've ever looked at a Lamborghini and decided that it would actually be better as a boat, Automobili Lamborghini and yacht company the Italian C Group. Inspired by the Lamborghini Santa Fe P37 Hypercar, the limited edition yacht is named for Lamborghini's 1963 founding year, according to a company press release. The Tecnomar's carbon fiber construction makes it so that the yacht is in the ultra lightweight boat classification. It weighs 24 tons, is 63 feet long, and powered by two V12 engines, each making 2,000 horsepower. The yacht is priced at €3 million, or approximately $3.4 million. Only 63 examples will be made and will be available starting this year. Ultimate Fighting Championship champion Conor McGregor bought one, TMZ reported late last year, securing the 12th example of only 63. It'll be ready for him by summer 2021, the outlet said. The Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63 represents a collaboration between Automobili Lamborghini and the Italian C Group. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. UFC champ Conor McGregor bought the 12th example of only 63, according to TMZ. It'll be ready for him by summer 2021. It draws styling cues from the Lamborghini Santa Fe P37 hybrid hypercar. The 63 in its name references 1963, the year Lamborghini was established. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, for JPG. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, Lamborghini. Powered by two V12 engines, the yacht produces a clean combined output of 4,000 horsepower. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, 5. JPG. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, Lamborghini. It's 63 feet long. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, 10. JPG. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, Lamborghini. And weighs 24 tons. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, 2. JPG. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, Lamborghini. The yacht's exterior design is meant to capture the aesthetic of the Lamborghini era and Countach from the 1960s and 1970s. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, 21. JPG. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, Lamborghini. But with a modern interpretation. Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63, 14. JPG. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. The hardtop takes cues from Lamborghini Roadsters. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. 6. JPG. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. The bow lights are shaped like the Y-shaped front lights found on the concept Urza Vallejo. The stealth gray makes it look like a torpedo. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Techno Lamborghini. Lamborghini says the hull is made from a high-performance shell. It was developed by naval engineers that apparently have a specialty in hydrodynamic sciences. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. That curved windshield is pretty sweet. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. Imagine the wind hitting you in the face while riding in this thing. Technomar for Lamborghini. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. This screen looks close to the one you see on their cats. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. These lines are extremely Lamborghini. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. As is this front end design. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. In fact, that whole thing is unmistakably Lamborghini. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. You'll find more of the iconic Lamborghini hexagonal design language inside. Technomar for Lamborghini 63 _interiors. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. There's a very extensive menu of colors and livery options customers can choose from. The instrument panel is similar to a car cockpit. All the details are finished in carbon fiber. Technomar for Lamborghini 63. Lamborghini. The Technomar for Lamborghini 63 starts at €3 million, or approximately $3.4 million. Subscribe to this channel for interesting videos.